Welcome to the third video scenario in the Asset Insider test drive environment. In this phase of the asset lifecycle, we're focusing on the deployment stage. The title says it all: put asset in operation after receival. It's all about getting your asset up and running once it arrives. Let's dive in. Let's begin by opening the forklift with serial number ending in 1 in the asset section. Head over to the parameters tab. Here, you'll find two lists with static and dynamic parameters, each with a unique purpose. A simple double-click on a dynamic parameter reveals a form with chart of values and a historical list. Meanwhile, for a static parameter, a double-click opens a right-hand panel with various fields based on the parameter type. Now, let's move on to the maintenance tab and check out the active maintenance plans. You'll find an associated initial installation plan triggered by the first day of exploitation. In the maintenance journal, we can see there is a pre-created installation work order. We can access it directly from here or through the work orders button in the menu. Let's locate our work order in the Kanban manager. Let's raise the priority with a simple filter and a drag and drop, and then let's click on its number to explore the details. The work order comes with an automated business process flow organized into 5 essential steps. Start with the planning stage, where you arrange the key details for the work order. The generated order automatically pre-fills the required information based on the work order template for the initial installation plan. Click the Next Stage button and let's proceed to the scheduling stage. In the second stage, we can switch to the Resources tab to add the necessary items for the work order, and if they're not automatically assigned by the work order template. You can easily do this by opening the menu with additional actions and selecting New Item Movement. However, this work order includes all the necessary resources for the initial installation based on our pre-created work order template. Let's advance the business process flow to the actual start stage. Asset Insider might ask you to resubmit the scheduled start date and due date, as circumstances can change, and this, as you can see, is very easily done with a few clicks. Once the primary responsible person for the work order begins work, they should record the actual start date in the actual start stage and perform a location check. Afterwards, the order advances to in progress stage. Here, the person executing the order can go through predefined tasks, ensuring the compliance of the job and a consistent result of each order. The tasks can be mandatory or not, which in the first case prevents the order from advancing before the mandatory tasks are marked as complete by the person executing it. Now, let's execute our tasks, which require us to follow an instruction. Execute a measurement of a parameter, which automatically gets recorded in the asset's parameter history. And finally, verify the job is complete. To complete the work order and head to the review stage, open the drop-down in the progress section. We mark asset condition as operational, as this was an installation order, and we set actual end date to the current date as we have just completed the job. Finally, in the review stage, after reviewing all the reported work, a manager can finish the job by setting the work order is completed field to yes. Congratulations, you successfully set up the process for deploying a new forklift.